Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company RG Pacific LLC. They're looking for a digital graphic designer for internet marketing. It pays up to $20 per hour. We are in search of a highly creative individual that lives and breathes social. If you enjoy working with direct-to-consumer brands, then we are looking for you. The daily duties include creating on-brand digital assets for web, social media, SMS marketing, and email blasts, conceptualizing copy for web, SMS, social posts, and email blasts, partnering with the marketing manager to conceptualize content ideas for various clients, managing several social media accounts, posting, boosting, community engagement, manage email accounts, creating templates, creating emails, deploying emails, marketing administrative tasks, social account setup, updating master calendars, assisting the marketing manager with any additional marketing tasks. If you have the following skill sets, we are looking for you: graphic design experience, knowledge of Adobe Creative Suite, exceptional visual storyteller, a strong understanding of designing for digital channels, detail-oriented with the ability to manage multiple projects from concept through execution, self-starter with the ability to effectively manage your workload in a fast-paced environment, experience working with beauty DTC brands, a team player who can also work well independently with minimal supervision. For consideration, please send in a resume with prior work samples. Applicants without prior work samples will be automatically declined. This is a remote, full-time position. Hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday Pacific Time. Job type: full-time. Pay up to $20 per hour. Benefits: paid time off. Schedule: Monday to Friday. Experience: graphic design, 2 years preferred. Adobe Creative Suite, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.